Friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. In this video we will discuss about the high acceptance rate journal in the different subject and interdisciplinary. So first category of the journal is the Springer platform. This is a very renowned platform to publish research article and research manuscript across the globe. So title name is the journal Neural Processing Letter NPL. So editorial board member, aim and scope, and general approach. These are the most important thing to explore about this journal. So this is the first section where you will get all the detailed information about the topics and also the publication time. So read out this section very carefully, and if you want to know about the editors, you can see here. And impact factor general matrix, you can see here 2.891. This is the impact factor, and publication model is this. All the things are given here. So first decision you will get within 117 days, and after that 279 days are required to publish your research article. What about the publishing model? So you can see here, this is the publishing model hybrid. So if you want to know about this publishing model, you can just click on this particular thing. So you have to explore each and everything about the publishing type. So this is the recently published issue, volume and issues. So you can see here December 2020, so issue 3. So if you want to know more about this particular volume, so you can just click on this particular volume. And most important thing about the indexing and ISSN number, so just scroll down, you have to find out about this particular. So this is the ISSN number. This journal published in both category, online version and also the print version. And abstract indexing, whether the journal related to the which type of the indexing, you can see here this journal comes under the category of the UGC care, SCI, Scopus and many more things, DBLP and many more indexing and extracting covered by this journal. So really very huge indexing. And if you want to know about the publication, how we will submit, so just click on the menu button, and here you will find the my account. So before submission your research article, you have to create your own account to submit your research article. So this is how we can submit our research article in this journal. Now next journal name is the Journal of Retailing and Consumer Services. This is also the very reputed platform to publish research article and research manuscript in this Elsevier platform. This is also the very renowned and authentic platform to publish your research article. ISSN number of this journal is this here 09696989, and journal title is the Journal of Retailing and Consumer Services. So this journal actually related comes under the category of the management and interdisciplinary category. So if you want to know more about these journals, you can see here impact factor of this particular 4.219, and also the general introduction you can see here. Just click on the read more. So here you will find all the detailed information about this journal and what types of the topics and टाइटल, कौन कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हैं जिसमें हम अपना रिसर्च पेपर इस पर्टिकुलर जर्नल में पब्लिश कर सकते हैं. So all the detailed information about the topics and titles covered by this particular journal, so you can see here. So read out this section very carefully. Very important thing about this journal. So this section is very important, so before submission of your research article. Now most important thing, journal matrices. So you can see here site score, impact factor, SNI, MP ranks, SGI, Semago general rank, all the things are given here. And if you want to explore about the published article, so you can see here most downloaded article, recent article and even most cited article. And if you want to download research article freely, so you can just click on this particular tab, open access article. So you will be able to find out and you can download the research article. Now most important, how we will prepare our research article. So just see here guide for author. So just click on this. So guide for author instruction. So how we will prepare our research paper, कैसे हम अपना research article ready करेंगे, prepare करेंगे as per the guideline. So all the guideline you can find out here. And after preparation your research manuscript, you have to submit your research article. So you have to use this button, submit your research article. So whenever you click on this particular tab, इट विल बी रीडायरेक्टेड टू ए न्यू पेज। एक नए पेज पर आपको एक ओपन विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी और आपको वहाँ पर अपने एक साइन अप करना, एक फॉर्म फिलअप करना है। अगर आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर न्यू हैं, अगर आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके देन यू हैव टू फिल योर क्रेडेंशियल, लॉगिन आईडी, पासवर्ड, देन यू हैव टू सबमिट योर रिसर्च पेपर। अगर आप न्यू हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर, फर्स्ट टाइम अपना रिसर्च आर्टिकल पब्लिश करने जा रहे हैं, देन यू हैव टू fill a sign up form and then after creation your login id password you have to submit your research article. Now most important thing about this journal, how we will check this journal abstract and indexing. So just click on the abstract and indexing whether the journal related to the SCI category, Scopus category and many more indexing. So you can see here this journal comes under the category of the Scopus. So friends, this is how we can submit our research article in this quality index and authentic platform to publish your research article. Friends, if you are finding any issues to find out the appropriate journal to publish your research article, then you have to ping through WhatsApp group. You have to find out the WhatsApp group in my description box. So just click on the WhatsApp group link. So you have to join the WhatsApp group. Otherwise you have to ping me through personally. अगर आपको कोई जर्नल में फाइंड आउट करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो वी कैन सपोर्ट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग और आपको बेस्ट जर्नल प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो पिंग मी थ्रू द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड ड्रॉप योर मैसेज. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल so you will find the most important upcoming video. Thank you friends.